chicken noodles look so yummy and delicious. Masud Rana cooking with care number 1.
So dear all friends, how are you? Welcome back in Masud Rana Cooking with Care. Today I just want to make and show you chicken noodles. So watch out to know how you make. Thank you very much. Let's go. So these chicken noodles now going to be boiled for 10 minutes. After boil done, I will make and show you. So noodles already boiled. It's done. Now I will take out the steam. This is done already boiled. Hello everyone. Just fresh chicken like 300 gram. I just cut it strip. Now I'm going to marinate this one for the chicken noodles. So this is the breast chicken. We just use little dark soy sauce. Little baking soda. Salt in taste. Pepper powder and white vinegar. And now I'm going to mix and fry for 5 minutes. So this one marinade done for the chicken noodles. Now I'm going to fry this one until golden color. So guys, chicken is ready. 300 gram chicken strip cutting, and after marinade I just keep for some time and then I fry, and this is already golden brown. This is done. Now my second step is going to make noodles, and I will show you everything, the process how I make. So let's go. So I am going to start the chicken noodles Chinese style. I just use little corn oil, little bit corn oil here, and then sliced garlic, after the sliced garlic, spring onion white, this much, it's like 10 seconds. Then like carrot julienne cutting, this is also like 15 seconds. So the chicken that I already fried before, then cabbage also julienne cutting, then also bell pepper green and bell pepper red, and also like 15 to 20 seconds just I put it for cooking nicely. So now the time to put noodles. I already boiled this one. So salt in taste guys. Normally for this quantity is 2 teaspoons, and black pepper 1 teaspoon, so going to use little dark soy sauce, so green chili sauce if you like spicy, also red chili sauce little bit, and at the last put little white vinegar. This is the brand for white vinegar, American Garden. And that's all. Now in 2 minutes I will remove, and in 2 minutes my noodles will be ready to have. Thank you very much for watching me, and thank you very much for joining me. So my chicken noodles is ready. Now going to be played. Today I make for 5 person. This is ready. And just for touch up little bit of spring onion on top. This bit of spring onion. So this is my chicken noodles, and thank you for watching me, and take care. Hope to see you again with my next new video. Until then, bye.